Arutwo othe aria megwateire grade ya kuingira university mwaka wa 2022 mari mubango-ini wa thirikari wa kwamukira uteithio na ngombo cia mathomo rungu rwa mutaratara mweru wa ugai wa kigina kia university. Ni undu wa itumi tiganite ti othe maikiri ihoya kuingira university na kuringana na ruhonge rwa woyani wa university arutwo 140 107 nio mahetwo mieke thini wa university itiganite 130 485 makiingira thini wa university cia muingi riri arutwo angi 9,662 maraingira university ni cia andu kiumbe.
The cost actually affected the way, the behavior of students in the way they applied for these courses.
Kuringana na ruhonge rwa ugai wa kigina kia university, thirikari eigite KEHERI muigana wa ciringi bilioni 19.6 ici ari mbeca iri kuhuthika ta scholarships riri na ruhonge rwa ngombo cia university HELB rutanyitwo kuheana ngombo cia muigana wa ciringi bilioni 27.6.
There is no student who will miss funding. Let me repeat that. Because you can see even our estimations, the number of students who we estimated is less than those ones who were placed.
This year's budget of HELB has moved from 17.8 billion to 40.3 billion. So we are seeing next year coming about 50 something. The other year it's coming to 75. And I said by 2020 the numbers we are seeing is 145 billion.
Arutwo aria maraingira university ni cia muingi mari na kanyaga kwamukira mbeca cia scholarship kuma kuri ruhonge rwa ugai wa kigina kia university oro udumwe na mbeca cia ngombo kuma kuri ruhonge rwa HELB. Riri aria maraingira university ni cia andu kiumbe mari koragwo makiamukira tu ngombo kuma kuri HELB na ari o ciumia tu itigarite mbere ya thirikari gutiriha mihang'o ino no arutwo 3,155 maikitie ihoya ria kwamukira ngombo kana scholarships.
We expect that it will not be 100%. There are students who will opt not to apply, but the position is that we will want to accommodate every student because the funds are available.
Ona kuhanoro uguo arutwo matanyihire 2,000 aria mataginyetie miaka 18 matigukorwo makiamba kwamukira ngombo cia HELB. Ona kuhanoro uguo nimekwamukira scholarship o ta arutwo aria angi.
Scholarship will be released because that is going to school, and the loan will wait until the ND comes out, but it will be there, it will be reserved money for them.
Thegia ya kuhura jeki university nyingi kibesha mutaratara uyu mweru wa ugai wa kigina kia university ni ugathiririo amurita riri university nyingi ona iritari igweta ni ciamukirite na banene ya arutwo ona kuhanoro uguo university ciothe ikirutirwo mukana wa kuongerera marihi ma kothi.
Within the public universities, I think they may be silent, but they are all smiling. All the numbers of in public universities went up.
We are watching also to see who is going to defy the chief executive of this republic, and then we report them to the CS for further action, because that was a directive by His Excellency the President.
Thirikari ikoretwo igitetera mutaratara uyu wa ugai wa kigina kia university na umuthi munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Rigathi Gachagua hindi ya igongona ria kuhumba thumbi arutwo university-ini ya East African Marathon akiuga ikinya riri ni ria kuiganania arutwo othe.
We are changing the model so that people, once you are given assistance, is full. Hakuna haja kusomesha mtoto umpatie bursary form 1 umwachilie form 2 hana then arudi nyumbani umeenda hasara.
Haduini Hakameme TV jitagwo Ngena wa Wadurwa.